What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. We are going to install this whole home air freshener right here in our HVAC system and let you know how it goes. Now, these products conceptually are a great idea. You hang them off of your air filter in your HVAC system, and then theoretically and conceptually, the air from your heating and air conditioning system is supposed to blow through them, capture the scent, and then the scent is dispersed through your ductwork throughout your home or your apartment. They haven't worked, at least for me, that well in practice. I've reviewed a couple other similar products by two different brands. You can check those out in the description of this video. I'm going to do the same thing with this product from 3M, Filtrete, as I did with those other two products. I'm going to show you how to install this on your air filter, and then I'm going to give you updates as the days roll by, 1 day, 3 days, 5 days, to see how effective this thing really is. So a couple things before we get started. On the back of the package, on the instructions, it does talk about how these need to be changed monthly. So by virtue of that, that tells me that the manufacturer expects these to at least last a few weeks if you're telling people to change them monthly. And then secondly, it does say for homes larger than about 3,000 square feet, that you might need 2 of these. My home is a bit larger than 3,000 square feet, so I am going to take that into consideration during our experiment. Now, before we get into the product or the installation process, one thing that you want to do beforehand is turn off your HVAC system or make sure that it's not running when you remove your filter to install the whole home air freshener. Here's what the air freshener looks like when you get it out of the package. First thing we're going to do is just simply bend on these creases right here to make a hook that will allow us to hang our air freshener on our 1-inch HVAC filter. So simply bend here once and then bend right where this crease is, right there. And as you can see, this creates a little gap and our filter is going to slide right up in there. If you look at the directions that come with this, it says to peel off a plastic piece on the back, but that does not exist on mine. So I'm not sure if they just forgot it on mine or if that's no longer something that you need to do. If you look a little closer, you can see that if we remove these strips on each of these rows here, we are going to get the extra scent boost. And like I talked about earlier, one of the challenges that I've had with these types of whole home air fresheners is they don't last long. So guess what? We're absolutely going with the boosting technology. There's no way we're getting around it. So we're just going to pull on these little tabs on each row. So you can see this thing right here. Pull down to release that extra boost technology. Do that on the other side as well. Now we're just going to simply install our air freshener right on top of our filter. We're going to slide the filter right in to that space we created by folding the plastic. So I'm putting my air freshener right on top of my filter. Now, if you're wondering, how do I know which side that my air freshener should be on of my filter? You want the air to hit the air freshener first and then go through the filter. So as you can see on my filter right here, we have a little arrow. That means the air is coming through this side first, which means it's going to hit our air freshener first and then go through the other side. We're going to pop this back in our HVAC system. I'll be back with you in about 12 or 24 hours to see how this is going. We are 24 hours in and not great results so far. I can barely make out the scent of the whole home air freshener, and only in a couple spots in my home where it actually makes sense. One is right above where our HVAC system is located, right in the foyer area. So that's really close to the source, the HVAC system. So that makes sense. And then right outside of the door where the HVAC system is located, which is right over here in our basement. So we are on day 3, and that's day 3 after the install. So 2 days after my last update. And I gotta tell you, the scent has completely dissipated from the first floor. even though you could barely detect it as it was on that level. And then in the basement, you could barely pick it up. It's even fainter than it was before, just a couple days ago. And even at that time, it was hard to detect it. So we're 5 days in now, and that scent that barely existed a couple days ago has all but dissipated in my basement. And of course, I can't smell the cranberry scent anywhere else within my home at this point. So unfortunately, we are not able to recommend this product, which is unfortunate because I did have high hopes for this, especially after reviewing 2 other similar products. And I can't recommend it even if you live in an apartment or a smaller home, because that scent that did exist for just a few days was barely noticeable. If you guys are aware of any other products that are similar to this that you've had success with or you'd like me to test, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, everybody.